Gets up now, moves up now, gets up now, get too far, stop,
Get 'em up, if you finna get with it, come on, now get 'em up.